Hello and welcome to another video. So the car has been standing under the cover for easily more than a week and it fired right up. Ice cold start, no problems at all. Before I parked the car, we put some new tires on the W204. So I got the old tires off that because my old tires, I don't know why, but they were kind of bald. And the new tires on the W204, they look like freaking off-road tires. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's too funny. I used to use the old fuel pump to pump fuel up into the new tank. Bunch of different reasons for that, but the stock fuel pump doesn't work anymore and there's still a little bit of fuel in the fuel tank, so I'm gonna see if I can get the fuel out of there. So I'm gonna take out the back seat and yeah, see if we can get the fuel out of there.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old.
Take this jerry can, hook it up to there, then I have another pipe over here. And then I'm going to use this pipe to go in there and suck out all the fuel that I can. While I'm getting this fuel in the fuel cell, I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together on the inside, and then we'll go for a drive. Anyway, I have a few ideas for a TikTok video or two I want to make, so you can check out my TikTok. I'll also leave it in the link down below. Just post random stuff over there, so you can check that out if you want to. And then I got the fuel in the car. It's not much, but fuel is super expensive for everybody. It's better than it just going bad inside the tank. And then another thing is, I've been watching the Boosted Boys forever, but they have this thing, after they build a car, they have to go get food with it, otherwise it's not official. So yeah, looking forward to driving a bit again. Just gonna let it warm up a bit. So it's a bit hesitant when it's still cold, so let's get some heat into it. Merging onto the highway, and then it's all chilled. We freaking made it, Burger King. Let's get some food. Thanks. Thank you. Yummo. Crispy chicken burger. Best thing. Now, when I made the video about the cost breakdown of the car, I made a lot of mistakes, very cringy mistakes. In this video, we're going to tackle something I've been putting off for a very long time yet again, and that's also why it takes me 10 months to build my car, because there's always something else I need to do. I'm not just building my car. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, that's going to keep me very busy. I'm going to build myself cupboards and then also some kind of desk, a bigger one than I have now. I have this glass one now, but it looks nice, but I don't like it very much. I want to build a bigger desk and then also some bed stands, or one bed stand and then another cupboard. And then behind my bed I want to make something with the Mercedes-Benz logo inside with some lights at the back. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's head on back home and get right into it. So on my way home, I passed this classic old Ford F100. Not something you see every day. But like I was saying, when I'm working in the workshop, I don't always remember everything I want to say. So I wanted to create myself this. Somewhere I can do voiceovers while I'm editing a video that kind of looks better than it did before, as well as creating some more storage space, which is always a good thing for me. So that's basically what the rest of this video is going to be about. Me building some cupboards and some stuff for the studio. So I started off by planning everything, and I thought I would go live on TikTok while I'm doing that. And well, I guess let's just let the work speak for itself. So a little update. This is what I've done so far over the last 3 days. So I made this little cupboard that'll stand next to my bed, my big cupboard that'll go next to the desk, and then last night I finished welding this cupboard, and then I also finished building the logo that's going to be behind my bed, and that's going to be on the inside. And if you look at the back, I just have spaces there so that the light shines through. So I am in a bit of a time crunch. I need to get everything put together today and then to paint it tomorrow, because over the weekend I'm gonna help my grandma move. But when I did those two cupboards, I painted them with a paintbrush and just this. It's a very nice paint, but it takes a long time to paint everything. So this time I'm gonna try something different, and I'm gonna try to spray that on with the spray gun just to make everything faster. Hopefully that works out. I've been told I'm gonna have to put like 2 or 3 coats on, so hopefully that works out and it'll make the job a lot faster. And then I cleaned up the place a bit just to get rid of most of the dust. And then I have the compressor over here, I have my spray gun and the paint, and I really hope this works. So let's see how it goes. What a disaster. Spray painting in a hurry is not a good idea. I ended up ruining my whole workshop floor, so I'll have to go on my hands and knees and scrub all the overspray off the floor. The joys. But I'm not gonna bore you with that. So in the next video, very excited for that. We're gonna go back to doing car things, so stick around for that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.